All right, we got this amazing mini chainsaw right here. As you can see, fits in one hand, nice and light, but it gets the job done, as I'll show you in just a second. So first off, let's come down here. We've got everything we need right here. 2 batteries. I'm gonna take one of them, clip it right in. It clips right in. Got a second one as well though. This charges both the batteries. You got this screwdriver right here. You got this, the instructions. You got an extra chain if you want, as well as this fob right here. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this up, take this off. But as you're taking this off, I want you to see, it doesn't just work. I have to press this button in, and then it works. That's when it works. So now, I'm gonna come over here just to show you the vibe of how this works, just to get this, I'm gonna cut this right here. So here we go. There's 1. There's 2. 3. Let's do 1 more, just to give you a vibe. I'll even come closer for this one. Amazing. As you can see, very powerful, gets the job done quick. That's a vibe. Highly recommend.